Welcome to our channel. My name is Yvette and this is Tyler. Come along with us as we sail the high seas or hit the open road while we navigate and explore this beautiful planet our way.
Time to pick up Mom and Dad from the airport.
Welcome back to our channel. You heard correct. We are going to pick up Tyler's parents from the airport. We have lots of fun things to share with them and plan to bring you along as well. Welcome to Grenada! We made it back to the boat on time to see this rainbow, unpack, and settle in. I heard his exhale.
Back on the road up there.
Yeah.
Land Rover Discovery.
Yeah.
Pretty nice that one.
Yeah. Today's a fun day because we've come to shore and we're getting picked up by a tour guide, and we have lots of fun things we're going to do and see around the island. Oh, sure.
All right, morning everybody. Welcome on board everyone. I want to say thank you guys very much for, no, we just take our time and drive fast. That was built in the 1700s.
Wow.
Yeah, that was built in the 1700s. Right. Also, you get a ferry to our sister island down there, if you look at the boat over there.
Right.
So this is our nutmeg, our number one spice on the island. Right?
Did you just find that when you were landing? Or
Yeah.
did you have it with us?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, so you see when as it's open there,
Uh-huh.
the yellow part, everything there is usable. So that's the nutmeg itself here.
You can see the little
Want to
veins.
smell it?
That's really cool.
It smells so good.
Right there. Right, look, see the papaya.
See him with this?
10 feet above sea level.
Oh, wow.
Also, we just come to the end of
it's okay.
St. George,
You did.
and now we are moving into the parish of St. Andrews. Just give me a quick moment, please.
That's the horse.
I know it reminds me of where we did that zip line. Oh, I'm sorry.
So he was calling for the monkeys, and one of them just showed up.
Hi, Bella. There you are. Oh, aren't you cute? What are you doing?
He's like, no, without a banana, I'm not going up. Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
There you go. Look at that. So soft.
I know, isn't he? Hey, Jumper. Hey, Jumper. Smile. You're YouTube famous.
He is smiling.
I'll move my head to the side.
Yeah, you know you're gonna get another banana, aren't you? Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Jumper, come on. Follow directions.
Come.
He wants 2 pieces.
Jump all easy.
I can hear the little smack.
So you what I want you guys to do now for me?
Gentlemen, I like your tummy. You're looking very healthy.
Oh, gosh.
Now those fish here, the orange and the koi, put here in 1995 by 2 of them local. There were 3 of them.
Wow.
You can see there is dozens of them now. And the green ones are tilapias. So this area here is called Plains.
Plane? It's an art form on that one.
Give us some aloo.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. River Antoine Estate is the oldest rum distillery in Grenada, established in 1785. As you will see, rum is manufactured and produced using the oldest functioning water wheel in the Caribbean. What makes this rum unique is that they have not changed anything on how they process and make the rum since 1785. Ow! Oh my god! Hello! It's really squishy.
Has a smell to it, doesn't it?
Sure does.
We're a little bit late.
Yeah.
Engines for airplane.
Yeah.
Alright? So it is all water powered. Alright? Now, over the years, the river been cleaned up. So we build up our system, which is 1 mile long. Now the river water mixes down to the river. Right?
That's cool.
Let's put up on the inside.
You know about that.
Rum
Muddy.
distillery on the island. Tractors is going to drop the sugar cane at this point, and the workers place the
Look at
sugar
all the sugar cane.
Well, I said before, the company responsible is Chief Lecture Company. It is an original here from the 1800s. Minor repairs, the workers here is going to do it. Now the waste, in local terms we say bagasse, is now placed outside to be dried by the sun, then it goes back into the fields as manure or compost. We also use some of it as fuel. So there is no chemicals added.
Oh, it connects.
So the water that spins the wheel goes back into the river.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Thank you.
Right. So the juice flows through this PVC pipe in the back and then touches the concrete tank.
Okay, so it starts over here.
Right. It is now emptied into the first copper pot. And there are 5 different copper pots. The first one is the coolest because it's the farthest away from the fire. Then we have the copper pots that are directly over the fire and hang them into a wooden sheet.
And this is the unit stuff here?
Yep. So it falls into the holding tank at the back. So the end product is going to be sweet and actually in the syrup form. Alright, I'm send them to be fermented. Natural bacteria fighting the sugar, creating a chemical reaction.
Oh, that's why it's fizzling?
Right, so there is no fire underneath. There. So after 8 days, we get a total of 15% of alcohol. The heat exchanger. That is where we're going to boil half of it at a time. Now we're going to send a group of guys to clear the fuel to them for free.
It's like it's almost burnt through.
Straight metal. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I could see our rum is one of the strongest because at times we get it up to 85%. Alright?
So it pulls all 500 gallons out into these individual
Yeah, we
drums.
actually fill the drums up and add. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Cheers.
Oh, that's
Yeah, some dogs actually get to 5.
This is Leaper's Hill. It sits on a cliff, and there's also a cemetery at the top, as you can see. Leaper's Hill is a solemn place with a sad history. Many of the native Caribs jumped to their death to avoid being captured from the French invaders back in 1650.
for the first position. So that's
yeah.
yes, I guess that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pay it forward or whatever.
That's gonna happen. Want to pick up the number plate because the time I get
Thank you so much for joining us as we explored Grenada today. We had a fabulous time. We're ready to get back to the boat and relax. Next week we have some more exploring to do, and we hope to see you then.